Okay.
Starting over again. For some reason, this water is not boiling.
Let me see. It's because you just put it in.
I got it. Hand me a cup. Walk to the bathroom. Turn it on hot. Put some of that hot water in there. Water faster.
This isn't going well.
It will be. Right now. I can feel it. Feel the heat? Alright, who's going to open the door?
Me.
Oh, it's hot.
Go. Is it boiling?
Pretty much.
Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Huh? Hurry up.
Okay.
I'm starving. We still gotta go to school.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
You gotta put the
Alright, we'll
did
do
you put
that
the stuff-
second time around. Oh, here we go. Ready?
Can you hear that? Could you hear it?
No, all I heard was the neighbors starting their car.
No,
Okay.
I heard. That's the
Did
noise
you?
it makes.
Okay, now we're going to do soap. Dawn soap. We'll do quite a bit in there.
Let me see it.
Can you see?
It's sort of
A
clear.
little bit more.
A little bit more.
I think it's good enough.
Here we go.
Okay.
Gonna make the deck all slippery in the spring. Okay, you can go ice skating. Now we'll pour in here. Make sure you don't stand in my way. Okay, add a little bit more spice, and there we go.
Oh no. Throw it quick. Whoa, the bubbles. I saw them going that way.
Freezing in here.
Cool.
Now let's do it with the whole pot.
No, I want to make hot chocolate out of that.
Okay, we're gonna throw this out without soap.
No, with soap.
No, we want to use this for hot chocolate. Okay, with soap.
With soap.
Find that look in your eyes.
No.
Here we go.
We're gonna drink soapy hot chocolate. Ready?
Ready?
I think it needs
Yeah.
more. It needs bubbles. Well, it doesn't have any bubbles. You need to put some of that in.
I did. Here we go.
No,
Look
but
at the
it has
bubbles.
no. That's boiling, not bubbles. Mom,
Okay, here we go.
put some of that stuff
I
in.
did.
More. It needs to have bubbles.
Maybe hot.
Okay, ready. Ready?
Ready. Here we go.
Go. Whoa.
Cool.
That was interesting.